How to crop Instagram story video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can crop Instagram story video. Now, if you open up Instagram and head over to the add story option, there you'll notice that if you try to upload a video longer than a minute, you won't get the option to crop it. So basically, if you choose a video, then you won't get an option to crop it here or edit it. It'll automatically upload the first 1 minute of your video. Now, in order to crop it, the trick here is what you can do is you can tap on the plus icon there and then head over to the post option and then tap on next. Select the video that you wish to upload to story. Then you want to tap on edit video option at the bottom left corner of your screen. From here, now you can tap on the particular video file and then crop it or cut it to the section that you wish to upload only. Once you have done so, you want to tap on arrow icon at the top left corner and then tap on the save icon at the top right corner. Once you save it, now you can head back, tap on start again, go back, and this time head over to the story option. And now from the media, you want to select the particular video that you just cropped, the part of the video that you cropped, then you can upload it. Now Instagram doesn't give you a direct option on story to crop the video, so you'll have to do it this way, or you can use any other apps as well. However, it is easier this way. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.